and welcome to a new episode of Bite Size Media Making with CME. Here at Bite Size Media Making, we'll be going over, that's right, really bite-sized, very succinct, quick tips and tutorials on how to better utilize your media making skill using post-editing software. Let's get into it. So in this episode, we'll be going over how to add transitions to two of your videos on DaVinci Resolve. So we would go into the effects library at the very top left of these open tabs. At the effects library, we'll drop down a menu that reads video transitions, audio transitions, open and audio effects, plus more. These effects are preset transitions that DaVinci Resolve is already offering you as a creator to utilize for your videos. A really good tip with these transitions is that if you scroll your mouse from left to right of the transition itself, you'll be able to see the transition play before including it into your timeline in your timeline video. Once you choose a transition you like, you can drag and drop it into your video, adjust the spacing for time, and also play with the keyframes to decide when you want to start and end your transition as well. There's so many different options, from paint on to iris to triangle waves. These are super fun ways to make great funky videos really easily using DaVinci Resolve. We hope this was a super beautiful bite-sized media making tip, and let us know how you feel. See you for the next episode.